Well, I see so many people complaining about their lives. I meet a lot of people and they complain about their lifestyle, they complain about the way they have been brought up, they complain and blame the education system that they could not get that education system to thrive in their life. They complain about the color of their clothes, the brand that they wear, they complain about their skin, they complain about anything and everything. And do you want to know what happens when you complain? Do you know the science behind the kind of impact, the kind of adverse impact that it makes on your brain, it makes on your body when you complain? Are you someone who regularly complain about things? Are you someone who regularly blames something or other? If that is the case, then I am going to tell you in this video what actually happens to your body, what actually happens to your brain, to your mindset, what kind of harm it actually causes to you when you complain about things, when you complain about anything and everything in your life. You might have seen my previous video where I have talked about subconscious mind, where I talked about how your subconscious brain works, how your subconscious brain decides the destiny of your life. If you haven't watched those videos, please go ahead and watch those videos so that you would understand the functioning of your brain. But to talk to this complaining part, when you basically complain, you're giving a message to your subconscious mind that you're weak. You're giving a message subconsciously to your brain that you did not take the responsibility. You transferred your responsibility to someone else. And remember, the way you speak, the words that you use, the kind of work that you do, it is an energy around you. And that gets impressed on your subconscious mind. And later it gets expressed in reality in your life. If you really want to achieve the success, if you really want to do the great things in your life, you got to know how to feed in the right things to your brain. So when we complain, you are subconsciously telling yourself that you're weaker. Let's talk about a few more disadvantages of actually complaining. So the first disadvantage of the complaint is that you're impacting yourself. The second disadvantage of the complaint is that nobody likes to hear the negative news in the world. Nobody likes to hear the problems of your. Nobody likes to hear the problem that you have in your life. Nobody. Everybody likes the positivity and everybody likes to associate with the people who are positive. Everybody likes the positive news. So whenever you're complaining to someone, when you're telling your agonies, your problems to someone, they are least bothered about it. You know what? There was a study done in the past which shows that 90% of the people don't care about the problems that you have. 90% of the people don't have anything to do and they don't worry and they don't care of the agonies and the problems that you have in your life. And 10% of the people are happy that you even have them. Then why complaining? So my question to all of you today is, if you are complaining and if nobody likes to listen to it and then people are happy that you have them, then why complaining to others? My message to all of you through this video today is stop complaining. The problems that you have in your life, learn how to deal with them. Embrace challenges. Choose discomfort over comfort. If for a year or two you choose discomfort over comfort, your whole life will be comfortable. So it is up to you, it is in your hand. What do you want? Do you want to complain or do you want to thrive in your life? Do you want survival or you want success? Do you want negativity or you want positivity? Do you want mediocrity or do you want an unstoppable and abundant mind? So it is your choice. So stop complaining and start going ahead positively and embrace the challenges in your life to become a successful person. I hope you have loved this video today, and I want to thank you all with the bottom of my heart that I have reached 150 plus subscriber within very few days, and it would have not been possible without your support and love. Any feedback, any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. So with this is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off until we meet again.